Dear students, the previous 3 sessions we discussed basic concept and formulae. Today we are going to see few problems. The value of x for which the angle between the vectors a vector equal to 2x squared I vector plus 4x j vector plus k vector and b vector equal to 7i minus 2j plus xk is obtuse or option A x less than 0, option B x greater than 1 by 2, option C 0 less than x less than 1 by 2, option D x belongs to R. A dot B positive means acute, A dot B negative means obtuse. So, you want to find the obtuse angle. So, A vector dot B vector 2x squared I plus 4xj plus k dot 7i minus 2j plus xk 14x squared minus 8x plus x 14x squared minus 7x the angle between A vector and B vector is obtuse if A vector dot B vector is less than 0. That is 14x squared minus 7x is less than 0. X minus 0 into so x can be written as x minus 0, x minus 0 into x minus half less than 0 means x lies between 0 and half, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 which means alpha less than x less than beta. Using this concept we write x lies between 0 and half. x belongs to 0 comma half. So option C is correct. Let A vector equal to two y plus k. B vector equal to I vector plus j vector plus k vector. C vector equal to 4i vector minus 3j vector plus 7k vector. The vector R vector which satisfies the equation R vector cross B vector equal to C vector cross B vector, and R vector dot A vector equal to 0. Is given by option A minus 2i plus k, option B minus I minus 8j plus 2k, option C one by root 6 I minus j plus 2k, option D none. So we have to find R vector. Let R vector equal to x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector. Which implies R vector cross B vector minus C vector cross B vector equal to 0 vector, which implies R vector cross R vector cross B minus C equal to R vector minus C vector cross B vector equal to 0 vector. So R vector minus C vector x minus 4 into I y plus 3 into j z minus 7 into k. From this we subtract this one, x minus 4 y plus 3 z minus 7. So R vector minus C vector cross B vector equal to 0 vector, which means I j k R minus C x minus 4 y plus 3 z minus 7 in B vector, that is 1 1 1 equal to 0 vector. I vector into y plus 3 minus of z minus 1. So minus z plus 7 minus j into x minus 4 x minus 4 minus of z minus 1 minus z plus 7 plus k out into x minus 4 minus y minus 3 equal to 0 vector. I vector into y minus z plus 10 minus j into x minus z plus 3 plus k vector into x minus y minus 7 equal to 0 vector. Comparing both sides, 0 means 0i, 0j, 0k, which implies y minus z plus 10 equal to 0, z minus x minus 3 equal to, multiply minus inside, minus x plus z minus 3 equal to 0, x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. So y minus z equal to minus 10, z minus x equal to 3, x minus y equal to 7. R vector dot A vector equal to 0, which implies xi plus yj plus zk dot A vector to I vector plus k vector equal to 0. 2x plus z equal to 0. So 2 into 2 minus 2x plus 2z equal to 6. Fourth one as it is right, 2x plus z equal to 6. Adding 3z equal to 6, which implies z equal to 2. Z minus x equal to 3. 2 minus x equal to 3. 2 minus 3 equal to x. X equal to minus 1. Z equal to 2. X minus y equal to 7. Minus 1 minus y equal to 7. Minus 1 equal to y. Y equal to minus 8. So x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 8, z equal to 2. R vector equal to x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector, that is minus I minus 8j plus 2k. Exam, if the vectors alpha vector ai plus j plus k, beta vector I vector plus bj plus k, gamma vector I vector plus j vector plus ck. Or coplanar where a not equal to 1, b not equal to 1, c not equal to 1. Value of 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c we have to find. Option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 2, option D none of these. So alpha vector, beta vector, gamma vector are coplanar, which means scalar product of alpha, beta, gamma equal to 0, which means element A1 1, 1B1, 1C equal to 0. So using properties of determinants R1 minus R3, A minus 1 0, 1 minus C, R2 minus R3 0, B minus 1 1 minus C, 1 1, C equal to 0. Applying R1 implies R1 minus R3, R2 implies R2 minus R3. Expanding A minus 1 into C into B minus 1 minus of 1 minus C. Plus 0 into anything 0, 1 minus C into 0 minus B minus 1 equals 0. So C into A minus 1 into B minus 1 minus A minus 1 into 1 minus C minus 1 minus C into B minus 1 equal 0. But in the result we should have 1 minus A, 1 minus C, 1 minus C form. So C into minus of 1 minus A minus of 1 minus B. Here bringing minus inside, 1 minus A into 1 minus C plus 1 minus keep as it is, bring minus inside, that is 1 minus B equals 0. So C into 1 minus A into 1 minus B plus 1 minus A into 1 minus C plus 1 minus C into 1 minus B equal to 0. dividing by 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c, we get c by 1 minus c plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus a equal to 0. If we divide whole term by 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c, we will get this result. Adding 1 on both sides, 1 plus c by 1 minus c plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus a equal to 1. One minus c plus c by 1 minus c plus 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by this will be cancelled, which implies 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus a equal to 1. Let a vector equal to 2i plus j. A vector equal to I vector plus j vector plus k vector. B vector equal to I vector plus 2j vector minus k vector. And a unit vector C vector be coplanar. If C vector is perpendicular to if C cap is perpendicular to A cap, C is perpendicular to A vector, then C cap equal to one by root 2 into minus j plus k one by root 3 into minus I minus j minus k C vector 1 by root 5 into I vector minus 2j one by root 3 into I vector minus j minus k. So it can be done in two ways. A and B are given. C vector C cap is so alpha into A vector plus beta and B vector. C vector is coplanar with A vector and B vector. That means that vector can be expressed as linear combinations of other two vectors. So alpha into 2i plus j plus k plus beta into I plus 2j minus k. 2 alpha plus beta into I plus alpha plus 2 beta into j so alpha minus beta into k. So C vector is perpendicular to A vector, which implies C vector dot A vector equal to 0, which implies two alpha plus beta into I alpha plus 2 beta into j plus alpha minus beta into k dot 2i plus j plus k equal to 0. That is 2 into 2 alpha plus beta plus alpha into 2 plus beta plus alpha minus beta equal to 0. That is 4 alpha plus 2 beta alpha plus 2 beta alpha minus beta equal 0. 4 alpha, 5 alpha, 6 alpha. 6 alpha plus 3 beta equal to 0. Six alpha, 2 alpha plus beta equal to 0. Beta equal to minus 2 alpha. Further, modulus C cap equal to 1, which implies root of which implies two alpha plus beta the whole square plus alpha plus 2 beta the whole square alpha minus beta whole square equal to 1. You take this as C cap. So 2 alpha, in place of beta we can take minus 2 alpha plus alpha plus 2, in place of beta we can take minus 2 alpha the whole square. Alpha minus 2 alpha the whole square equal to 1. This will be 0. Minus 4 alpha plus alpha minus 3 whole square 9 alpha square. Plus here also 9 alpha square equal to 1. 18 alpha square equal to 1. Alpha square equal to 1 by 18. Alpha plus or minus 1 by root 18. Plus or 1 minus 1 by 3 root 2. So beta equal to minus 2 alpha. From this minus 2 into, in place of alpha you have plus or minus 1 by 3 root 2. Two root 3 by 2. In the beginning we write C cap equal to alpha into A vector plus beta into B vector. So alpha plus or minus 1 by 3 root 2 into A vector, that is 2i plus j plus k, 2i plus j plus k 2 by or minus 2 into plus or minus 1 by 3 root 2 into minus of plus or minus 1 by 3 root 2 into b vector, that is I vector plus 2j minus k. Minus 2i minus 4j, okay, plus or minus 1 by 3 root 2 plus 2i minus 2i will be cancelled. J minus 4j minus 3j plus 3k, take 3 outside, 3 by 3 root 2 minus j plus k plus or minus 1 by root 2 into minus j plus k. So option A is correct. So to take C vector coplanar with A vector and B vector, instead of taking like this, you can take C vector, A vector, B vector equal to 0. You can name C vector as xi plus. So another method I tell you, the same sum, let C vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk, C vector, A vector, B vector are coplanar. So that means C vector, A vector, B vector equal to 0. X, Y, Z. For A vector 2 1 1, B vector 1 to 1, 2 1 1, 1 to 1, 1 to minus 1. Expanding minus 1 minus 2 minus y into minus 2 minus 1 plus z into 4 minus 1 equals 0. So minus 3x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 0. That means minus x plus y plus z equal to 0. C vector perpendicular to A vector. C vector dot A vector equal 0. X I vector plus dot A vector 2y 2y plus j plus k equal to 0. That means 2x plus y plus z equal to 0. 2. That is 1. Two x plus y plus z equal to 0. That is 2. 1 minus 2 implies minus 3x equal to 0. That is x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means on both cases y plus z equal to 0, y equal to minus z. Further, modulus CVT equal to 1, whole square equal to 1, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. So 0 plus y equal to minus or z equal to minus y square plus 2y square equal to 1, y square equal to 1 by 2, y equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, which implies z equal to minus into plus or minus 1 by root 2. So C vector equal to 0i y, that is plus or minus 1 by root 2 j, then minus of plus or minus 1 by root 2 k, taking plus or minus 1 by root 2, you take j minus k. You can opt any one of this method. At alpha vector equal to 3i plus j, beta vector equal to 2i minus j plus 3k, beta vector equal to beta 1 minus beta 2, beta 1 is parallel to alpha vector, beta 2 vector perpendicular to alpha vector, then beta 1 cross beta 2. Option A 1 by 2 minus 3i plus 9j plus 5k. Option B 1 by 2 3i minus 9j plus 5k. Option C 3i minus 9j minus 5k. D equal to minus 3i plus 9j plus 5k. So beta 1 vector is parallel to alpha vector, which implies beta 1 vector equals some constant k into alpha vector, that is k into 3i plus j 3ki plus kj. Beta vector equal to beta 1 vector minus beta 2 vector. So beta 2 vector equal to beta 1 vector minus beta vector, that is 3ki plus kj minus beta vector, that is 2i minus j plus 3k. 3k minus 2i k plus 1 j minus 3k. Beta 2 vector dot alpha equal to 0. Beta 2 vector 3k minus 2 into I k plus 1 into j minus 3k dot alpha, that is 3i plus j equal to 0. So which implies 3 into 3k minus 2 plus k plus 1 equal to 0. 9k minus 6 plus k plus 1 equal to 0. 10k equal to 5. K equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So beta 1 equal to k into 3i plus j, that is 1 by 2 into 3i plus j. So beta 2 equal to 3k minus 2 into I k plus 1 into j minus 3k, that is 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 into j minus 3k minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 j minus 3k. So beta 2 equal to 1 by 2 into minus I plus 3j minus 6k. Beta 1 1 by 2 into 3i plus j. We need beta 1 plus beta 2 vector I j k. From beta 1 you take half in common, so 3 1 0. From beta 2 you take half in common, minus 1 3 minus 6, that is 1 by 4 into I vector into minus 6 minus j into minus 18 9 plus 1 minus 6a plus 18j plus 10k. One by 2 into minus 3i plus 9j plus 5k. Option A is correct. A vector equal to 3i plus 2j plus xk. B vector equal to I vector minus j vector plus k vector. For some real x, then modulus of A vector cross B vector equal to R is possible if three into root 3 by 2 less than or less than 5 into root 3 by 2. So R is greater than or equal to 5 into root 3 by 2. They are the given options. A vector cross B vector I j k 3 to x 1 minus 1 1 I vector into 2 plus x minus j vector into 3 minus x plus k vector into minus 3 minus 2. So I vector into 2 plus x minus j vector into 3 minus x plus k vector into minus 5. Modulus of A cross B root of 2 plus whole square plus minus of 3 minus whole square plus minus 5 the whole square. So modulus of A vector cross B vector equal to R, which implies R equal to 4 plus x squared plus 8x, 9 plus x squared minus 6x plus 25. So 2x squared plus here we have 4x, 2x squared minus 2x x plus 2 the whole square means x squared plus 4x plus 4. So we have 4x here. 4x minus 6x minus 2x plus 38. 2 into x squared minus x plus 19. Root 2 into root of making perfect squared x minus half whole squared minus 1 by 4 plus 19 equal to root 2 into root of x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 75 by 4. So r equal to root 2 into root of x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 74. Obviously, if you leave out this portion, r greater than root 2 into root of 74. r is equal to whole term. If you leave out this term, so greater than or equal to, or even when x equal to 1 by 2, this will become 0. Always it will always greater than equal to. If you take x equal to half, this will be 0. So greater than or equal to root 74 or 25 into 3 by 4. So r greater than or equal to root 2 if we cancel, r greater than or equal to 5 into root 3 by root 2. So option D is correct. If a unit vector makes angles pi by 2 pi vector pi by 4 with j vector and theta belongs to 0 comma pi with k vector. Then the value of theta is option A 2 pi by 3, option B 5 pi by 6, option C 5 pi by 12, option D 5 by 4. Let A cap equal to or A vector equal to cos alpha I plus, that is cos pi by 3 I plus cos 5 by 4 j cos theta k 1 by 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j plus cos theta k. So unit vector modulus A vector equal to 1, which implies 1 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta. 1 3 by 4 plus cos square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Cos theta equal to plus or minus 1 by 2, which implies theta equal to 60 degree 120 degree. So among the options A, that is 2 by 3 is correct. So we will continue next session. Thank you.